Bonjour,
Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to the Morin Heights Nature Camping and Cabin, a property of Mont Saint-Sauveur International. Are you passionate about nature and outdoor adventure? Are you looking to spend some quality time with family and friends? The Morin Heights Nature Camping and Cabin is the oasis you've been dreaming of. Located in the beautiful Laurentians, this exceptional site offers 3 types of accommodations. Let me give you a tour. The campground offers 53 backcountry campsites with water access. The ideal way to connect with the wilderness and enjoy nature at its purest. You can also set your camp on one of our 51 full-service sites. They provide running water, washrooms, showers, and playgrounds. Everything needed for a practical and pleasant stay. Last but not least, we offer 20 beautiful log cabins. The ultimate in rustic luxury, they are the most comfortable and unforgettable way to escape. Each one of these cozy chalets can accommodate up to 5 people. They include a fully equipped kitchen and a bathroom with shower. The cabins are available all year round, even when the snow is covering the ground. You'll enjoy the proximity of long cross-country skiing and snowshoeing trails, as well as the near slopes of Ski Morin Heights.
Passez ses vacances au camping et cabine.
Whatever your taste in vacation, Morin Heights Nature Camping and Cabin offers a variety of nature-filled activities. Located 5 minutes away from the town of Saint-Sauveur, it is a short distance from the Mont Saint-Sauveur Water Park and the Acronature Aerial Adventure Course. For more information or to book your stay, please visit mssi.ca.